Hi there, students. Fanfaronade, or fanfaronade, you can say it either way. This can be both a noun and a verb, and as a noun both countable and uncountable. Okay, this word is linked to fanfare. Yeah, a fanfaronade is loud, showy presentation of something with lots of fanfare. It's got the idea of the playing of trumpets or other musical instruments, a loud, showy celebration, a loud declaration. It's something with lots of hype. And then you can also use it to say when somebody is boasting. Somebody is fanfaronading. They're telling everyone how fantastic they are, that they're the best, but there's actually nothing to it. So to fanfaronade, to proclaim loudly, to promote enthusiastically, to blow your own trumpet. It's got the idea of to play a fanfare, to make a noisy show about something. To be very ostentatious, to tell everyone, this is me, look at me, you're not being meek and humble, you're fanfaronading, you're boasting, so some people are always fanfaronading about how fantastic they are, that they're the best. But normally this is very self-assertive and rather empty. So to brag, to bluster, you're boasting about how brilliant you are, but in a very loud, showy way so that everybody can hear it. You're being vainglorious. This is braggadocio. Lots of you're vaunting quite how fantastic you are. So I don't like fanfaronade at all. The investiture of King Charles III, there was so much fanfaronade to it. I thought it was a huge waste of money. They could have just said to him, "Oi, Charlie, you're king now," and that would have done it. But no, they have to have this huge fanfaronade, with soldiers and horses and trumpets, and it's telling everyone how brilliant you are. But with all of that, there's nothing actually to it. So somebody who's fanfaronading, they're boasting, they're playing one-upmanship, they're better than everyone else, they're flaunting, they're blustering, they're showing everyone just how fantastic they are. Hollywood and film premieres, these are full of fanfaronade about how fantastic they are, that this is the best, this is the most wonderful. But the problem is at the end of the day, it's all rather empty. There's nothing really to it. It's just effectively advertising. That's one of the reasons I don't like fanfaronading. Because a person who's boasting, I suppose, is just advertising themselves. They're proclaiming, celebrating how brilliant they are. And this is the idea. Lots and lots and lots of fanfaronade. Well, if you're paying for it, you can mount as much fanfaronade as you want. But to me, it seems arrogant, boastful. It's just a little bit ludicrous. It's sort of like military pomp and circumstance. Okay, so formality. This is a fairly formal literary word. I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. Used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. It sounds a little bit literary as well, a bit posh. And then as to origin, it comes from French fanfaronade, but I think that itself comes from Spanish. We've got fanfaronead, to effectively to boast, to brag. So enough. That's enough fanfaronade about this word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fanfaronade, fanfaronade.